Okay.
Hi, my name's Becky Beach and this is Puppy Jake. We are so grateful and so pleased to be coming to Augusta, Georgia to participate in the Puppy Jake 8K on July 6th. Our program raises and trains well-bred service dogs, and we place them with military veterans that have post-traumatic stress disorder and or mobility issues. We are so grateful for you wonderful people in Augusta to come out and help, and we're so appreciative of your support. The most important thing that we do all day long is raise these great dogs to go to our soldiers who have given so much to our country. Especially on the 4th of July holiday, we really want to give back to the veterans who have given so much to our country.
Thank you.